People are busy and don't have time to read the long walls of text or listen to a long presentation where the key information is shared at the very end. Use Minto Pyramid to give your communication a top-down structure and get your message across quickly and clearly. How Minto Pyramid works. Minto Pyramid is all about structuring the message you want to communicate. Start with a conclusion, then provide key arguments, and finally support them with detailed information. Start with a conclusion. Capture your audience attention early on by first telling them the main takeaways or recommendation. This principle is known as BLUF, bottom line up front. Provide key points. With the main takeaways already communicated, it's time to support it with the key arguments or main points. This part should explain the why behind your conclusion or recommendation. It should be fairly short. Write it as a summary of your main points. Support points with detailed information. You might still need to make your points credible. Do that by providing more detailed information that supports them. Facts, evidence, numbers, and results. This is a part where you can really go into detail if you want to. But remember that busier people are, the more likely they will skip it. You might want to skip the detailed information if your key arguments are enough to justify a conclusion, and you know that the audience will understand them well enough. Here is an example of using the Minto Pyramid to report research findings. As you can see, a clear recommendation is provided up front as a statement. After that, key findings support this statement with additional details. Finally, we provide evidence collected during the research. This way, the audience immediately gets the most critical information first. They only need to consume the details if they choose to. That's all. Thank you.